Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we're going to talk to you about shopping for Pacbrake exhaust brakes. Alright, so you're shopping for a Pacbrake exhaust brake, and on our website you're going to have two different sets of choices that you're going to have to choose. And we're going to talk about both of those choices in a couple of different videos here. And today what we're going to be tackling is whether you're going to be getting your Pacbrake exhaust brake kit with onboard air, or you're going to order the kit for vehicles with existing onboard air. And let me talk about that. That's what we want to center on in this video. How do you know which one that you're going to need? Now, so let's talk about the Pacbrake exhaust brake kits that are for vehicles with existing onboard air. When would that be your vehicle? What would qualify your vehicle as having existing onboard air? So, and talking about we're only talking about light duty trucks here. We're only talking about 2500, 3500, 1500 series trucks. So if your vehicle has existing onboard air, how would you have that? Well, you could have ordered a air horn, which is very popular today. You would have gotten a compressor with your air horn. If you've ordered an air locker set up for your differentials, that would have come with a compressor as well. Also airbags. If you've got airbags on your truck and you ordered the airbags and you ordered them with the compressor, or you added a compressor to that kit, that means that you would have onboard air already on your truck, which is a good thing. It's going to save you a little bit of money. So your onboard air means you've already got an air compressor on the truck for any of those things that I mentioned. One thing that you're also going to have for that kit to work with the Pacbrake exhaust brake kits is you're going to have an air tank as well. If you don't have an air tank, so you guys that have got air horns, some of those don't use not the air horns, but the airbags. Some of those don't come with tanks because you just air up the bags and then shut the compressor off. So you're going to need a tank. You're going to need a tank with the Pacbrake exhaust brake kit because you're going to have immediate air supply. We also sell these on the website. So again, let's go over that one more time. So if you order your Pacbrake exhaust brake kit for vehicles with onboard air, with existing onboard air, you have to have an air compressor, and you are also going to have an air tank, a holding supply for the air, so that your Pacbrake exhaust brake has immediate air supply once you call on it. Now, I hope that has explained that and given you some insight into that. So now let's say you don't have this. You don't have existing onboard air on your truck. That means you're going to order your Pacbrake exhaust brake with onboard air. The kit will include onboard air. In that, you're going to get the exhaust brake, you're going to get the compressor, you're going to get the tank, you're going to get the hoses, you're going to get a transmission controller if it's an automatic truck, all of the things that you need for installation of your Pacbrake kit on the air side of it. Now, I know that's just a little bit confusing, but that's why we wanted to make this video. We want to kind of explain it to you. Again, if you order your Pacbrake exhaust brake, and if you order it for vehicles with existing onboard air, you're going to have already on your truck an air compressor and an air holding tank for your air supply. If you order your Pacbrake exhaust brake kit that includes, and you order it to include existing onboard air, or you order it to include onboard air, that means you're going to get everything in your kit. You're going to get the air compressor, you're going to get the air tank, you're going to get the Pacbrake exhaust brake, you're going to get everything you need to install this on your truck as a working and functioning exhaust brake. I hope that I haven't confused you with that. The good thing about that as well is now if you order it like that, if you order it including the onboard air, including the air kit, you can use this compressor to power to supply air to your airbags, to air horns, air lockers that you do, later on down the road for your truck. So it gives you something to grow into. So I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel. Just wanted to explain to you a little bit about shopping for Pacbrake exhaust brakes on our website. If you have a question about Pacbrake or any of our other products, please give us a call, and we always appreciate you liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.